CGT followers. Today I've got a topic which I would want to simplify and avoid to use too much legal terms so that people will benefit. This is the topic on capital gains tax. So this is a simplified version of what capital gains tax is and how and when do we pay that and what are the consequences of not paying capital gains tax. Capital gains tax means payment of a tax for any gain that has been occasioned or that has been done to a specified asset. The Capital Gains Tax Act, among other acts, will help us in terms of understanding the capital gain tax. But let me say what are specified taxes or specified assets which are deemed to cause an accrual of capital gains tax. Things like land, shares are some of the examples which we meet daily where capital gains tax is payable. But it is only payable on disposal of such an asset. And I must be quick to say it's only on the gain. Meaning to say, when you're now selling your house, the gain that you would have acquired from the time you purchased it is what will now be charged for CGT. This applies also to shares. The increase on the value is what is now subjected to capital gains tax. So we are very much encouraged to ensure that when we dispose our assets, specified assets, or we dispose our buildings or land, or when we dispose our shares, we should make sure that we pay our capital gains tax. This is payable at ZIMRA offices, the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority offices, and you are supposed then to be given a tax clearance which demonstrates that you are paid at the CGT. If we do not pay the CGT, the transaction is deemed illegal. It will be painful for you to proceed and have a sale of a property and you don't pay tax, and that property or that sale is deemed illegal. It may benefit the buyer or it may benefit the seller, depending with the situations of the sale. So I'm encouraging my listeners to proceed to ensure that when you do pay or when you do dispose a specified asset, you must pay CGT. Don't agree to contract unlawfully. Thank you very much. I wish you the best.